Welcome to this quick guide of the Yamaha DZR15 with James from VH Sound and Lighting. Once you have set up the speaker, you'll find the power and the power button on the bottom. On the back of the speaker there are two line inputs, each with an XLR and 1/4 inch jack connection combined into one. Each input has its own volume control and XLR through output connection. Line 2 has a through/DSP out switch. At the top there is a digital display that controls various options and settings for the speaker. Options include master volume control, high pass filter, decontour, EQ and delays. Thanks for watching this video, hit the like button if it has helped, comment below if we can help with anything else and subscribe to our channel for more of these videos. Thanks and goodbye.